Have you ever wondered why some people stay calm under pressure while others feel overwhelmed? Mental strength isn't something you're born with. It's built through small, consistent habits. Here are 5 daily practices that mentally strong people use to stay resilient, focused, and positive, no matter what life throws at them. Mentally strong people don't let the day happen to them. They start with intention. Whether it's setting a goal, writing down 3 priorities, or taking a few quiet moments to reflect, beginning the day with purpose helps create focus and direction. Life is full of surprises, but mentally strong people understand that they can't control everything. Instead of wasting energy on what they can't change, they focus on how they respond. This mindset helps reduce stress and encourages better decision-making. A healthy mind depends on a healthy body. Regular movement, nutritious food, good sleep, and staying hydrated all support brain function and emotional well-being. Small healthy habits each day can make a big difference over time. Mentally strong people appreciate what they have while continuing to grow. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can shift your perspective. They also stay curious. Reading, learning new skills, or listening to inspiring ideas keeps the mind active and adaptable. Mental strength isn't about being perfect or never feeling stressed. It's about building habits that help you recover, adapt, and move forward, one day at a time. Which of these habits do you already practice? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-based wellness and healthy living tips. Remember, your daily habits shape your future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Have you ever felt your heart racing, your mind spinning, and anxiety taking over, all within seconds? The good news is that you don't have to stay trapped in that feeling. In fact, there are simple, science-backed techniques that can help calm your body and mind in less than 2 minutes. Let's explore 7 quick ways to regain control, anytime, anywhere. First, slow your breathing. Try the 4-4-6 technique. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Then slowly exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. A longer exhale activates your body's relaxation response, helping reduce stress and slow your heart rate. Next, interrupt anxious thoughts with the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This simple exercise gently shifts your attention away from worry and back to the present moment. Anxiety often makes your muscles tense without you even realizing it. Tighten your fists for 5 seconds, then release. Now relax your shoulders, jaw, and neck. As your muscles let go of tension, your brain receives signals that it's safe to relax too. If possible, splash cool water on your face or hold something cold against your cheeks for a few seconds. The cool sensation can activate natural calming reflexes that help slow your body's stress response. Now tell yourself, this feeling will pass. I am safe, I can handle this. Choose one object nearby. Study its shape, its color, its texture. Spend just 20 seconds giving it your full attention. This simple mindfulness exercise helps quiet racing thoughts. Remember, anxiety is a natural response, but it doesn't have to control your day. These quick techniques won't cure anxiety, but they can help you feel calmer in the moment and make it easier to think clearly. If anxiety is frequent, severe, or interfering with daily life, it's important to speak with a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra calm today. Because here at YouHaveALife, we believe that small daily habits create lasting health.
We've all felt tired after a busy day. But what if your exhaustion doesn't go away, even after a good night's sleep? Burnout is more than feeling tired. It can affect your energy, motivation, emotions, and even your physical health. Here are 5 signs that you may be experiencing burnout rather than ordinary fatigue. Feeling tired after a long day is normal, but burnout often brings a deeper, ongoing sense of physical and emotional exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest alone. You may wake up feeling just as drained as when you went to bed. Activities you once enjoyed may begin to feel like a burden. You may procrastinate more, struggle to focus, or simply stop caring about work, hobbies, or responsibilities that once brought you satisfaction. When you're burnt out, even small challenges can seem overwhelming. You may become more irritable, impatient, or emotionally sensitive than usual because your mental resources feel depleted. Burnout doesn't just affect your mind. Some people experience headaches, muscle tension, digestive problems, or trouble sleeping. These symptoms can have many possible causes, but persistent physical changes are worth paying attention to and discussing with a healthcare professional if they continue. Burnout can make you feel emotionally distant from work, family, or friends. You may isolate yourself, lose enthusiasm for social activities, or feel detached from the people and things that normally matter to you. If these signs sound familiar, don't ignore them. Taking regular breaks, setting healthy boundaries, getting enough sleep, staying active, and talking with someone you trust can all help. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or interfering with daily life, consider speaking with a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this reminder. Remember, taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health.
When was the last time you went an entire day without checking social media? For many of us, it's become a habit we barely notice. We unlock our phones dozens, sometimes hundreds, of times a day. But what happens if you take a break for just 24 hours? The results might surprise you. During the first few hours, you may feel restless or even anxious. Your brain has become accustomed to the constant stream of notifications, likes, and new content. Each scroll provides a small burst of dopamine, the brain chemical linked to motivation and reward. Without those frequent rewards, your mind may crave the habit. But don't worry, that feeling usually fades. By the end of 24 hours, many people notice something remarkable. Their minds feel quieter. They find it easier to concentrate. They become more present during conversations. Many also report feeling less pressure to compare themselves with others, a common source of stress and low self-esteem. Without the endless flow of information, your brain finally gets a chance to slow down. You may even notice you're more productive because you're no longer interrupting yourself every few minutes to check your phone. Taking a short break from social media may also improve your well-being. Many people sleep better because they're spending less time looking at bright screens before bed. Others feel less overwhelmed and more emotionally balanced. Instead of reacting to constant updates, you're reconnecting with real life, your family, your hobbies, your thoughts, and even simple moments of quiet. A digital detox isn't about rejecting technology. It's about creating healthier boundaries so technology serves you, rather than the other way around. Here's a simple challenge. Try going just 24 hours without social media. Notice how you feel. Pay attention to your mood, your focus, and your sleep. You might discover that one day offline gives your mind the reset it didn't even know it needed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from a digital break. Here at YouHaveALife, we believe that healthy habits don't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Digital detox. What happens after 24 hours without social media? What if one of the most powerful tools for improving your health, reducing stress, and even helping you live longer didn't cost a penny? It's not a supplement, a workout, or a new diet. It's gratitude. And science shows that practicing gratitude for just a few minutes each day can have a remarkable impact on both your mind and your body. Here's why it's far more powerful than most people realize. When you intentionally focus on what you're thankful for, your brain responds almost immediately. Studies suggest that gratitude activates regions involved in positive emotions, learning, and decision-making. It can also boost the release of feel-good brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which help improve mood and emotional well-being. At the same time, gratitude may reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol, helping your body shift from a state of tension to one of calm. The benefits don't stop with your brain. Research has linked regular gratitude practice with lower stress, better sleep quality, healthier relationships, and improved emotional resilience. People who regularly express gratitude also tend to make healthier lifestyle choices. They often exercise more consistently, eat better, and are more likely to stick with positive habits. Over time, these small changes can contribute to better heart health, a stronger immune system, and an improved quality of life. Gratitude isn't magic, but it can create a mindset that supports healthier living. The best part? Practicing gratitude is simple. Every evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be extraordinary. A delicious meal, a supportive friend, a peaceful walk. Even taking a moment to thank someone sincerely can brighten both their day and yours. The key isn't finding big reasons to be grateful. It's noticing the small moments that already exist. Gratitude won't eliminate every challenge in life, but it can change how you respond to those challenges, helping you become calmer, more resilient, and more optimistic over time. Small daily moments of appreciation can lead to meaningful improvements in your mental and physical well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little more positivity today. Here at You Have a Life, we believe that small daily habits create lasting health. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the healthiest habit is simply appreciating what you already have.